Okay.
Someone I should have recorded that, did.
Yeah, I got it right here though. Papa didn't record that one. That about sums it all right there. Welcome to the fabulous Las Vegas. I'm here for the 2022 USBC Open Championships. And guess what? Guess who's with me? Papa! Hey! So we're here to bowl the Open Championships. We're here for 3 days. And it's pretty awesome because I get to spend the day with Papa. So, no ladies this time, just the boys. Papa's gonna bowl with me, so pretty cool to experience that with him. Everything kind of comes full circle. You know, he got me into bowling, so it's gonna be pretty awesome to bowl with him tonight. Anyways, Papa already hit the slot machine on the way in. Won $12. So we're gonna go get our bags and then we're gonna head on over to the hotel. Anyways, catch you here in a little bit. My Papa, we're gonna head to the Delano, and we're gonna go check in. We're gonna meet with our friend Aaron, who's here. We're gonna have some lunch, and then Papa's gonna hit the slot machines because he's already won money. So we're kind of hoping that that it didn't start. That's only the start of your winnings, right?
Yep.
He won $12 at Wheel of Fortune, so Wheel of Fortune may be his game. Anyways, headed to the hotel. Gonna meet my friend for lunch, and we're bowling the Bowler's Journal tonight. So I'll pick you up here in a little bit. All right, we just checked in. Welcome to the Delano. I always say Delano, but it's actually Delano. Papa actually had free Amex credit, so he got us our room for free.
Free!
And they gave us an upgrade. So we were in a standard room. I'm not sure how much it cost, but I think it was like through Amex. We used our Amex Platinum credit. I think it was like $230, which we had to pay $30, but they had a free complimentary upgrade. So they actually upgraded us to a suite. So let me just show you. So this is the first room. I walked in there. The lady said that she didn't think we had a good view, and I'm like, oh, this isn't so bad. The airport's right there, and the rest of the strip is right there. That's the Luxor. But if you keep coming around over here, look, there's a bar by chance if you got some stuff. But anyways, so you got a closet here, but look at this view over here. Like, this is an amazing view. I don't know what she was saying that it was obstructed, but this is pretty good. There's a TV. This is one window. Now we're in a staywell room, and they said, well, your room's not going to be ready till like 3. I can't give you an upgrade since we have the 2 queens. And so she's like, but I have a king. And I'm like, you know what? Papa and I are family. We're same blood, so we got a king bed. So we're going to be sharing the bed. Actually, I might just go to the couch on the other side. I might just give Papa the bed tonight. But anyways, so we've got a king bed. But yeah, we're in a staywell room here at the Delano. It also includes a $60 breakfast credit, so it's $30 for each person. So since there's 2 people in here, we got $60 credit, and then it also includes a $100 food and beverage credit. So that means we have $160 worth of food credit here. So I've got some friends coming over. We're gonna have lunch here in just a little bit. Papa and I are gonna charge the phones, relax, probably hit the slot machines. And yeah, we're just gonna have a good time. But like I said, we have the Bowler's Journal tonight. We're gonna head to South Point, and we're bowling at 10 p.m. And then we have the Usbc Open Championships tomorrow. Team event is on Saturday, and the doubles and singles is on Sunday, and then we fly out Sunday. So it's a really quick trip, but you know, we got friends coming from all over the place. We've got some friends coming from Arkansas, Chicago, Nebraska, California. I mean, you name it. You know, we're all coming in for the weekend. So this is a really special weekend for us to come here and bowl the Open Championships. And it's even better that Papa's here. So we're going to have a really good time. But anyways, we're going to go downstairs. We're going to have lunch. We're going to go gamble. And we're going to have a good time. So I'll take you along for the ride. Here we go. This year we're bowling the Bowler's Journal tournament, which is actually held in the bowling center. Last year we did doubles and singles, but everything is in the plaza this year. So this year we're bowling the Bowler's Journal. So we'll see. 12 games this year. Hope the legs hold up in my old age. All right, we finally checked in. Thanks to Dan for holding down the fort. We checked in for the Bowler's Journal. Let me tell you, it is chaotic. There are a ton of people here. They got open bowling going on over there. This side is the Bowler's Journal. But there's only 4 to a pair, so we should be bowling pretty quick. But we'll see how it works out. It's just kind of like a glorified practice session because the pattern that they put out is the doubles and singles pattern, which we're going to be seeing on Sunday. So running the lane machine over there. So we'll see. Hopefully we bowl well. All right, we just started bowling. Good news is with the Bowler's Journal, I can film. I can't film tomorrow, so we're gonna film all tonight. Let's see what happens. Look to start. We'll see what happens. All right, so I went turkey 9 open. I missed a 10 pin, and then I went 7-10 split. So halfway through the first game, I got a good look, but man, they're burning in the back. Their back ends are flying. I'm already having to switch balls. So close. Okay, Papa?
No, I can eat my biscuits.
Gosh. Papa saved a biscuit from dinner. Show me your biscuit. Anyways. We just finished bowling the bowl. Well, I'm not going to say bowling. We just finished trying to bowl at the Bowler's Journal. Overall, the hard part is that I had a good shot. I knew exactly where to throw it, and I just bowled horrible. Papa didn't do so great. And a couple of guys, though, did really well, but it's like 1 minute the shot was there, next minute the shot was gone. It was so crazy. But anyways, we got team event tomorrow, so we're gonna head back to the hotel tonight, get some sleep, wake up tomorrow morning, and walk around Vegas for a little bit, and then we'll head back over here to South Point to bowl the Team Open Championship. So anyways, call it a night. We'll see you tomorrow morning.